is full of signs, if only we're willing to see. Sometimes we forget that meaning and inspiration can be found in the most everyday places. And that's what we're looking to do through our street installations at the Mumbai Festival.
For us at New Acropolis, philosophy is so much more than an academic or intellectual subject. It really is a way of life. It is to learn to translate wisdom and to create our own little signposts in our day-to-day lives so that we can navigate our own tricky intersections or our personal roadblocks, and to guide our lives to live a little bit more purposefully and a little bit more meaningfully.